Happy morning. So, today, one interesting topic I just want to share with you, children. See, many children they find physics difficult because it combines with maths, abstract concepts, and real world applications. So, which can be challenging to grasp all at once. Okay, let's understand why they struggle, and I want to give a clear tips to the children to enhance their physics skill and avoid silly mistake. Okay, why children they find physics difficult? So in physics you have too much theory and formulas. Mostly students know they memorize formulas without understanding the concept behind them. So first understand the concept. Okay, some children they'll be weak in maths because physics need basic math skill like algebra, units, graphs, and trigonometry. So that also will make the children find physics difficult. And in physics you have abstract ideas like concept like force, energy, or light, or they are all invisible, okay, and hard to visualize. And a student no they don't relate physics to everyday experiences. If you relate physics to everyday experiences, definitely you'll find physics is an interesting subject. And many have that poor problem solving skills, like they don't know how to approach that numerical problem logically. Okay, so I just want to give you tips to enhance physics understanding. Okay, you start with basics. First understand physical quantities like mass, time, length. Just learn their SI units and types of motions. Okay, you build strong fundamentals before jumping into complex topics. And you please use more concept maps and diagrams. First visualize ideas using your flow charts, mind maps, and diagram. Okay, like example you can take ray diagrams in optics like that. Okay, then your physics becomes easier when you can see what is happening. Practice numerical problems daily. Don't just read, okay, you solve it. Use formula, triangles, or shortcuts to remember the equations. Okay, once you've finished solving, you check the units and conversions. Okay, then your numerical problem also will become easy. Relate to real life. Okay, connect the lesson to real life. Okay, for example, if you have mirror or pendulum, switches, rainbows, ball rolling, so physics is everywhere. So please visualize and relate it to real life experience, so then you'll feel it very easy to learn physics. And more important is understand the concept. Please don't memorize, understand the concept. You ask why and how something happens there. Now no you have more simple YouTube animation has come to understand the topic like refraction, motion, electricity. Okay, just go watch. Okay, and from that you just ask why and how. So this will help you to understand the concept. Okay, even this method also will find it will make you understand stronger. See, explain to your friend. If you take a topic, explain to your friend or to your parents also. This will make your understanding very stronger. Okay, and then break down the problems. First read the problem carefully, identify what is given and what to find, write the formula, substitute correctly, and you solve step by step. So then your problems will be very easy. And now the last one is you have to manage the time. Okay, don't spend 2 to 3 minutes per question for numericals. Okay, if you got stuck, move on. Then you come back later and you read carefully and solve it. Okay, so these are the common tips, no, which will enhance this will enhance your physics understanding better. Okay, how to avoid silly mistakes in physics? For example, forgetting, you'll be when you're solving a problem or something, you'll forget to write the units. So always write units after answers, you double check it. And sometimes no, in a hurry you'll be using a wrong formula. Okay, so you revise formula daily, make a formula chart that will help you to avoid mistakes. Misreading the question. So you read twice before solving, underline the keywords. Okay, this will help you to solve the question. And calculation errors, most people know this will happen, calculation errors. So solve step by step, recheck the final answer. Then you'll have a confusing vector and scalar quantities. So first you make a comparison table to revise before your exam. And some people, some children know they'll mix the units, like example centimeter with meter, like that. So first you convert all the units to SI units before applying formulas. Okay, and not labeling the diagrams properly. So you practice neatly, label the diagrams with pencils. So these are the basic mistakes mostly children will do. Please avoid these mistakes. Make it as a practice. When you're studying itself, you make it as a practice, then you'll avoid all the silly mistakes. Okay, so physics is not at all hard. Okay, it just needs the right approach. Clear? So be curious, be organized and consistent in your practice. Okay, once if you understand physics, it's just the science of how everything works. Okay, you will enjoy and you'll study, and it won't be a much harder subject, like okay, it won't be a much harder subject. Okay, hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you.